Introduction to ZDE7-1200HD AC power panel functions. Function selector switch for adjusting between remote control and panel control. Set to remote control for submerged arc welding. Characteristic selection button. Button for switching between CC and CV modes. Polarity selection button for adjusting AC, DC+, and DC. In AC frequency, the ammeter displays the welding frequency default frequency, 20 Hz. The waveform balance can also be adjusted using the parameter adjustment knob. The default waveform balance is 50%. Adjust the DC offset percentage using the parameter adjustment knob. DC offset 50%.